You've got to blame it on something. Blame it on the rain. It was falling, falling. Blame it on the stars that shine at night. Millie and the Vanilli. If you know that song and you know their story, yep, you're pretty cool. So let's check in on the market. I've been away like all day. Gee whiz, so busy. 2:28 p.m. Monday. It is Monday. What is the date? It is May 8th, 2023, 2:28 p.m., 32 minutes remaining in the market. SPY trading at 412.60. S&P pretty flat today, flat like my wife's keister. Nope, edit that right now. You don't know how to edit, that's true. Dow Jones down 61 points, etc. and so on. Crude oil up a little bit today, 2.37%. A little action in here. Whoa, whoop, and then a little fight back up, and then back down. So we'll be looking at another call credit spread for the SPY at the end of the day. But I was looking at the big board. Not the big board, the watch list. I added Home Depot to the list. We got Tyson on there. I put on a trade already on Tyson off camera. Credit spread, put credit spread, the training wheel. It had a not a very good earnings report and even worse guidance. So the market said, we'll slap you. We will slap you down. But I think they've been overslapped. So we'll see. Got a little credit spread action on that. What else is standing out? Might look to a little bit of Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson action. Maybe some PepsiCo. We'll look at some of that. I was looking at the Home Depot right here. Got the year-to-date simple little chart up. On February 2nd, they were trading at $339.79, and on March 28th, they were trading at $280.82. So I thought, let's put on a little trade on the Home Depot, even a short little put credit spread. Home Depot currently trading at $287.38, down 0.77% today. This will be a 4 days to expiration trade. And what were we looking at? I was looking at the 280 strike, which is a 19 delta, 82% chance of profit. And it's currently at 92 cents. What if we look right around here? It's just a 2.5 wide little credit spread, put credit spread right there. If we do, I don't know, let's just go with 2 contracts for now. Can we get a 35 cents? Can I get an amen? I bet you can get 34 cents. Collect $68 bills on $500 collateral. Let's see if that'll fill. And it is not currently filling as we get to the witching hour of the day. Let's just get it filled, though. Let's get that thing filled so we can run some Fantasyland math. Let's see, Sonny boy, how about 0.34? 0.33? Try for 33 cents. That's Larry Bird's number. Number 33. 66 would be carry the 1. Looks like no luck on that either. Or either. Either. This makes for exciting. Where did it go? Makes for exciting YouTube videos, though, I'll tell you that right. Yeah, Mark. Let's get back into this Home Depot. Replace the order. It is a short trade, so it needs to go. It needs to happen today for us to collect the time decay. The old time decay. 31. Come on, you could get that done. 31 cents per review order. Submit $62 on $500 collateral. Hey, we got 64. There's $64 bills. That's actual dough, $64 divided by the collateral of 500 is 12.8% for 4 days divided by 4 multiplied by 365, and that ends up being 1168%. 1168% return on collateral. Now, of course, if we have to manage this trade, that will change quickly and dramatically. What is happening with the Pepsi? I still have yet to own a single share of Pepsi in my entire life. Let's see what it's been doing. Last week, it's up 1.11%. Last month, up over 6.39%. So it is probably overpriced right now, over the valued. But what can we do on a short-term action on the PepsiCo? Sell, put. Is there any number we like? Let's go to the Yahoo Finance, check out Pepsi. I want to say they're in the 160s at some point because I think we did make some money with them on some puts back about 6 weeks ago, maybe. Let's go to year to date, take a look. Yeah, it was trading in the upper 160s, low 170s. But I want to see, I think we were in this range. March 9th, March 9th, March 10th, maybe, when we were trading that. But it's steadily climbed right up the mountain. So not sure now is the time, but let's just take a look at some of the action here. Oh boy, like no action. There's like no action on the PepsiCo with the 16% implied volatility. No, thank you. I think, Home Depot, they have earnings next week, so that might be adding to the volatility already. So we might be benefiting from that, but we're still going to be closing that trade prior to earnings. Let's see. What else do we have in the pipeline that we wanted to take a look at? Procter and the Gamble. My friend Donnie has a feeling McDonald's and Procter and Gamble are going to be going downtown to Chinatown sometime between now and maybe mid-July. So currently we got 155 on the Procter and Gamble. They're down $1.41 over a week. They're up $4.74 over a month and up $16.22 a share in 3 months. What do we look like here? Procter and the Gamble. Yahoo calls them overvalued. I would agree with that, but it doesn't mean you can't have some short-term action on that. They pay a dividend of 2.41%. They just had an ex-dividend date a couple of weeks ago. So is there any action on Procter & Gamble? Probably not any on this either. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at me now. Sell put May 12th, 4 days out. Yeah, you'd almost have to go at the money there, 155 to get any action. We're going to think about that because one of the things I'm looking to do is to build out like a 50 stock, and they'd be dividend paying stocks, 50 dividend paying companies that I concentrate my efforts on, all of which pay a dividend. So if we go over to Tammy, hey, Tammy, what are the best 50 dividend paying stocks in the United States? Hey, and no duplicates, okay? Let's see what Tammy says. Hey, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble right there, number 2. ExxonMobil, Chevron, AbbVie, AT&T, Walgreens, Cisco, Pepsi, Pfizer, Microsoft, Bank of America, Apple, Lockheed Martin, JP Morgan Chase, 3M. I'd say a big on the 3M, according to what I've seen lately. So I'll probably look through these 50, come up with some sort of way to organize them on a spreadsheet with regard to what I'm looking for. I'm not looking to add any financials. I'm not looking to add any more energy. I got enough of that action going on. My lady friend is calling right now. So we will end the video here and I'll swing back for an end of day SPY trade. See you in the next video.